KAS started a new bull market. We believe it started a bull market back here in April, okay, last month, after confirming a double bottom. In this video, we're going to discuss the potential Elliott wave count for KASPA and what we think how it will play out in the next couple of weeks, couple of months of this bull run. Make sure to smash the like, click the bell, subscribe to the channel, cook the like, leave a comment, and let's dive into the video. So first of all, let's look on this indicator. This is the VRVP. Okay, this is volume by price indicator. You can see when you see these boxes here are tall, you can see the bigger the boxes of the bars here on the side, the more potent is the resistance. Okay, so you can see we also have the line called the point of control. The point of control, once the coin is above the point of control, holding it as support or trending above it, you are in a bull market. Once the coin is below the point of control, just like what happened here, when we lost the point of control back in February, KASPA went on a bloodbath into the 5 cent. Now we came back up all the way to this area, the 1-3 area of the resistance. This is the most important resistance KASPA have to break to start the bull run and to actually move into the more explosive parabolic phase of its bull run. Okay, so let's look on some stuff. All right, so this remember this area, this is the most important area here. Okay, you have the 1-3. All right, 1-3 area, and as you can see here, we got a rejection couple of days ago, and it's now pulling back. Okay, now also if you look carefully on the price, again, this channel analyze price, not the tech schmeck you will see on other rubbish baby boys with pimples that telling you the tech and the schmeck and all the fluff and the garbage. We don't care about it. We care about money, price explosiveness, and bullishness of price, how we can put money in a coin and flip it. For now, this cycle, KASPA is the best coin for us to put big money out of the altcoin market on a grand scheme of things. I'm talking about the best coin. If you look from the beginning of 2023, all right, since we started trading KASPA all the way till now, it was the best trade for us. Okay, it was the best trade for us, and it's very consistent. Okay, that's why we love KASPA, and it's not scammy, rubbish, garbage. All right, anyway, you get a rejection now. All right, so we see here a first leg. Okay, we believe there is a chance this is the first leg of the bull for KASPA. Okay, you have your first leg. This is Elliott wave theory. All right, remember, this is a theory. I can be wrong on my count. It's a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but we like it. We like it to look on trends to identify where we are in the trend. So look, there is a chance this is a one leg here, then you had the second leg, the pullback sideways, you had your third leg here, fourth leg, little correction here, choppy correction, and then you have the fifth. This is the fifth leg in the first leg up. So now we expect, again, just expect, we might be completely wrong, a pullback. That's what's coming after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an Elliott wave. Usually you get an ABC. It can be an ABC like this one, and it can be a zigzag ABC like a W pattern shape correction. It can be also a cup and handle. It can be many stuff, but we look for a digestion of price, a pullback here. Once the second leg will complete it, the second leg, this was the first, that's the second. Okay, we're looking for the second one now to unfold. Then we're gonna move into the third leg. The third leg, we believe, will take us to the all-time high and maybe even above it. That's what we believe. And then you're going to have another pullback. And then you have the fifth leg. The fifth leg, we believe, will take you to it can be 30, 50 cents, maybe even 80 cents. Okay, we're going to keep you posted, sir. Make sure to cook the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, leave a comment, sir. By the way, we're going to show you many stuff now. Just want to give you I'm inviting you, join Bitunix. Get yourself a Bitunix account, man. Link below. You have a tutorial on how to trade there in the description, man. Get yourself an account. You get 1,000 USDT. You can trade from the US, Canada, all these countries, man. No VPN, no KYC. You just open an account, boom, you trade it. The best exchange, man. Low fees. Get yourself an account. Free money. You print money there so easily. Anyway, let's go back to KASPA. All right, so KASPA, that's what we believe, is now completing the first leg. Again, you might get a bounce. Maybe it's going to move higher. Maybe it's going to move a little bit higher. But we believe at some point, very, very soon, we're going to complete the first leg. We're going to complete the first leg, or we just completed it, and we're going to move to leg 2, which will take us back down. So again, if you are a KASPA maxi or a KASPA trader, look, you don't need to FOMO. If you FOMO here, you are a little boy, and you need to check yourself in the institution of mental health, or join the service link below, sir. The link below will take you to our service. Will change your life. Will teach you how to trade KASPA, because KASPA, we traded it from here and here, man. Amazing gains. We cashed out. We have no KASPA at the moment. Actually, no, nothing. No crypto. Maybe one little trade, but we mainly sitting in cash because we believe there is a pullback coming, and that's where you make the money. When you nail these pullbacks, okay, on the right time, you dump your coins before they top out, then you have tons of cash, okay? All other hodlers get wrecked. All of them get wrecked. They just round trip their gains back down, or to their entry or below, or maybe a bit higher, whatever. But they leave the gains on the table. Traders take their profit. Now the traders have much more money to buy because much more profit from all the last month, 40 days, we had amazing bull run. We have much more money to buy coins we like to buy on pullbacks, or to go on to the next wave of breakouts that will come once the market will bottom out. Man, join our community. By the way, make sure to subscribe to our Master the Bull webinar coming this Monday, my friend, the 19th. We're going to teach you all the strategy. We're going to give you a coin list, the best performing crypto coins that you want to put on your radar. We're going to give you like 20, 30 names. You must put it on your radar, man. Change your life. Free money webinar. Make sure to book yourself a place this Monday, and it's going to be recorded on the WAP. So you can, even if you miss the live webinar, you can always re-watch it again and again for life. Get yourself a place there. And yeah, man, we believe this is the KASPA. Again, that's what we believe now. This was leg 1, KASPA money season 1. Now we're gonna have a little, resting period. Okay, rest. We believe rest is coming. Then we're gonna have in June. June looking very, very sexy to me for KASPA. So somewhere in June, I think we're gonna have another leg up. The third leg that will start in June probably will go over all June and maybe even into July, because remember that rally from April 5th went all the way to 12th of May. So that's like more than a month of a bull run. And the third leg usually is much more extended and long. So you can get a bull run on June, July for KASPA, easy peasy, into new all-time high. Yes. And then we're going to get another probably resting. And then you're going to get another bull run. That's what we think, man. That's what we think. And again, maybe we're going to get it wrong. But it doesn't matter. Our strategy will always put us in. Why? Because we buy breakouts. When it's breaking out, we're going to buy KASPA. Now, if you're going to give a pullback and a breakout, let's say a falling wedge or some kind of a downtrend, squeezy breakout, we're going to buy the breakout. Make sure to join our community, our VIP service. Link below. Thank you guys for watching. Click the bell, subscribe, share it on your X. Join the webinar, join the membership. Print money this summer. Come and print money with us. We invite you to print money with us this summer, because this is the last opportunity to trade crypto. This summer is going to be the last summer, man. After the summer will come the winter, and the winter is going to shock people. The next winter. Woo-hoo-hoo. Anyway, man, click the like, see you in the next video. Cheers.